Welcome to the Android channel, and this is Android news for Thursday, August the 30th, 2018. And what do we have today in our Android news? Well, we have Android One, as a lot of people are talking about it, and I did do a little bit on explaining what is Android One on this channel. Well, smartphones that are getting more and more popular, in fact, many would love actually a pure Android experience, and the promise of Android One is that. But the problem is there's so many manufacturers that are still not obeying the stock Android and are just playing or changing it. So let's hope that Android One will be able to keep devices from changing and just being a cool stock Android experience. Google is at war with the US president. Of course, Donald Trump says that the search results are biased and that it even censored his State of Union address. Google has released yesterday information showing that nope, that's not the case. It's just the way that things are actually working with Google, and that Google doesn't interfere in any way in all of the results that are on the website. Dell has announced that it will release more Chromebooks, and of course Acer also announced Chromebooks, and that the near future it is diversifying its different laptop PC offering with more than just Windows 10 devices. So this is kind of interesting because Chromebooks are becoming more and more popular. And you know what? Probably I will get one Chromebook this fall so that we can actually talk about Chromebooks a little more on this Android channel. Well, Samsung has released yesterday details about why the Galaxy Note 9 cooling system using liquid cooling or carbon cooling system to basically cool down its Note 9 rather than regular most devices right now are just cooling off by radiating all the heat through the metal body of the device. Well, now it actually has a system that cools down the phone better, and that it might be showing up in many other devices in the next few years. So it means that there's a lot more heat being removed. This means maybe much more powerful devices. The Nightwatch cybersecurity group says that a flaw discovered in Android is actually leaking information to apps, including the Wi-Fi network name or the SSID, MAC address, device local IP, DNS data to allow tracking, and that this flaw is something that needs to be fixed. Of course, as we discover new flaws all the time, Google will probably have a fix for it in the near future. Google has announced Wear OS, that is the better suited operating system for the Google Fit smartwatches, but also a step in a new direction for wearable devices of the future. A lot of companies want to be in this market. Google also. Wear OS is kind of a derived form of Android that is really adapted and much smaller just for these devices. Google Play Games is rolling out with a new update, and of course it will update the interface to work with Material Design. It was announced a few months ago, and now it's finally rolling out slowly to available users. So why not check it out if you've got the new Material Designed Google Play Games. This was the Android news for Thursday, August the 30th, 2018. Enjoy our videos. Please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.